Hello, welcome to PhyzQuest. So this is a solution video for CSIR NET December 2019. This is for question number 1 for part A. So the question number 1 says a bag contains 8 red balls, 10 blue balls, 17 green balls. So here the question is, what is the minimum number of balls that needs to be taken out from the bag to ensure getting at least one ball of each color? Now 4 options are given here. So this question is involving the concept of probability. So here a bag contains 3 balls, 3 type of balls. So there are 8 red balls, 10 blue balls and 17 green balls. Now here if you make a total, it's a total number of 35 balls. Now let's look at the probability of getting each type of ball. Now since there are 35 balls, so probability, when we calculate the probability of each type of ball, so probability of getting, see here, the highest number of balls is the green color ball and lower than that is the blue color ball and lowest is the red color ball. So the probability of getting green color ball is 17 by 35 because the number of green ball is 17 and total number of ball is 35. Similarly, for blue color ball the probability is 10 by 35 and for red color ball it is 8 by 35. Now as you can see, green color balls having highest probability, whereas the red color balls having least probable. So when we take out the balls from the bag, the higher chance of getting is the green ball, whereas red ball is least probable to get. Now let's go ahead with the question here. So here our purpose is we need to pick at least one ball of each color and we need to find out the minimum number of ways it can be done. So first let us consider what would be the best possible scenario. Now best possible scenario would be you first pick a ball, it's a green ball. Second you pick a ball, it's a blue color ball. And the third pick you get red color ball. So the purpose is achieved. You have one ball of each color and it is done in total 3 picks. But it is actually an ideal situation. Now there is no guarantee that you will get the separate type of balls one after the other. So in order to find out the minimum number of picks to get at least one ball of each color, we need to consider the worst possible scenario. Okay, see why worst possible scenario we need to consider, because in that matter we will be really sure that we will get at least one ball of each color. So what will be the worst possible scenario? Now it is already mentioned that highest number of ball is green color ball, that is 17. So let us suppose we pick 17 balls. Okay. So worst possible scenario would be all of them come out as the green color ball. Now the next is there are 10 blue color balls. Now let's suppose we again pick 10 balls. So again the worst possible scenario would be all are blue color balls. Now here we have already picked 27 balls. Now whatever ball which is left in the bag will be only red color ball. Now our purpose is to have at least one ball of each color. One ball we need of each color. We already have blue and green. So in order to have one red color ball, we have to just pick another one ball. So it will be definitely be red color ball. There is no other option. So here it is the worst possible scenario which can happen, but it's a sure shot way that it will definitely give you at least one ball of each color. So now in this scenario, the total number of picks is 17 plus 10 plus 1, which is equal to 28 balls. And since green balls are having highest probability, in worst possible scenario, they have the highest possibility to come out first, and then the lower probability, which is the blue color ball, and the lowest probability is red color ball, which will come out as last. But this is only in case of worst possible scenario. But this is a sure shot scenario that which will definitely give at least one ball of each color. That is the question we are asked. That is the minimum number of ball we need to get at least one ball of each color. Now here the trick you can use is, in general type of question, whenever such type of question arises, the trick you can use is first add the larger number of color balls and then add plus 1 for the least presented color, which we have done here. The larger number of color balls are green and blue, so we add them, that is 17 plus 10 is 27, and for the least presented color, which is the red, we chosen plus 1. So 17 plus 10 plus 1, which is 28. Now coming back to the options. So here you can see out of the 4 options, option C is given as 28, which is the answer we have got. So correct answer for this question is option C, 28. Thank you.